Hello, this is the fourth and last video in the series on personal child logins. In this one, I'll show you how the children log on themselves. So to log on, they need three things: a PIN code, a username and a password. So to give them their PIN code, you just search in the lessons and you find the lesson that's got the PIN that you want them to have. And just to recap, you can make a PIN for any lesson, and any lesson that you've got a PIN for will unlock any other lesson as well. So you just need one. So I've made a master PIN, and I'm going to make sure that I don't delete this lesson, otherwise I'll lose the PIN. So I'll make a note of that, JB0654, and then to find the username and password, you find it from their pupil profile, or you find it from the spreadsheet or the stickers that you downloaded earlier on. So I've got a username Ty34 for this child and her single-use password Cherry163. So it's a single-use password. When she first logs on, she'll use that, but afterwards she'll change that to one that she can remember. Okay, so let's log in as Edna. Because I'm already logged in on Twinkl, I can't have two logins at the same time, so I'm going to use an incognito window. So when the children log in, they don't need to do that. So go to twinkl.co.uk/share or twinkl.com/share or twinkl.com/go. It'll take you to the same place. And here we have the PIN code, so it's JB0654. So you'll have your own PIN code. And for Edna, her username is Ty34 and her single-use password is Cherry163. Finish signing in, and then it asks for a new password. So her new password is something I'll be able to remember, and finish signing in. So here are the three lessons that I've shared with her, and if I click that, I can see this planets lesson, and I've got 3 Go resources there, and I've also got 2 downloadable resources as well. So I can launch the Go resource and she can see it on her screen immediately, and I can just play that, or I can download the downloadable resource. And that's it. Thanks for listening.